very beautiful day, I have decided to give you an episode early because why not? Why not? Remember, we are the best here, man. We are the best traders, we are the best analysts, we are the best everything, man. So, as usual, we start with the news segment. As you all know, the news segment is a very good and very thing to know as a trader. That's why I introduced. And today we are starting with Ebola. And the government of Congo is saying Ebola it's increasing in an alarming rate. So, and this is scary because we as Africans, we don't have good health areas or hospitals or we don't have quality areas that can offer treatment or quarantine for diseases. And as you can see, Ebola is caused by this virus, Budibagyo virus, Democratic Republic of the Congo, Uganda. Okay, so it has been attacking people in Uganda and Congo, and my country wants to bring a quarantine center in our country, which is scared, and the government of Congo is giving an alarming rate notice or an alarming rate raising update. They're just trying to tell people this thing is serious, and as you all know, Ebola is no joke, man. It has taken so many lives. And it's very, very fast and contagious. Okay, you can see. So, as of May 29th, May 27, a total of 906 suspected cases and 223 deaths among. This is not a joke, man. They are trying to warn us. They are giving us a warning. But who are we? Human beings, we need to be very careful because this disease can wipe the whole human race, man. This can be a very bad situation, but I hope it's going to be controlled. It's going to be okay. So, on the next news, I don't know what is not happening with the Iran deal. The deal is not yet announced. As of now, it's not yet announced. There you can see US-Iran 60 days proposal. Okay, Iran officials Trump is stalling talks with excessive demands as wait for. So Iran has now started saying they want talks, but Trump is delaying their talks. This is a change on everything Iran has been saying. Iran was the one delaying talks. Now Trump is delaying talks. But I don't think he is delaying talks. I think the talks are over. They're just trying to leverage more from it. And I know they will announce the deal or they will not. Because I said I don't think Iran want to seem weak. But let's hope for the best. As you can see, the markets are a little bit choppy and a little bit unpredictable because of this situation. Remember, we are waiting for the news. We are waiting for the peace deal talk. We are waiting for the final answer so that we can press our trades and understand where the market will go. But you can't do that when the peace deal has been being stalled for a whole week. Okay, so we just have to wait. And as the deal is going on, Lebanon is suffering on the other side. Okay, as the days are moving on, Lebanon is having to take the consequences. How? The Israelites are still advancing in the Lebanon area. Okay, today they have taken a medieval castle, the nation castle that has been controlled by Lebanon for let's see, is the Lebanon castle takeover. So they have taken a captured strategic castle in Lebanon deeper. So this castle, I have read, it's about 14 kilometers in Lebanon away from the Israelites border. And this shows, taking 14 kilometers inside another country, it's not easy. It's a war. It's a takeover, and they have planted their flag there. I hope they will not continue to advance, because if they continue to advance, Lebanon will be in deep situations, and they are saying it's a Hezbollah controlled area, but who knows? But we will have to wait and see. So that's all for that's all for tonight, for today on global news. Let's go to the charts, and the charts are very good, very beautiful as usual. Take trades. I've been away from the charts from Thursday. I've been away Friday, Thursday. So I'm back. As you know, this was our TP1 levels in the previous week analysis. I've kept this support, but the market is trying to find itself. I think the market is creating new supports. As you can see, the market came back to these areas, our TP1 levels, and did its thing. Okay, came and went back. So I'm expecting the market to come here, and if it comes here, we can have a very good setup. Or if it gives us a setup within this area, we can short or long. But what I'm looking for, the market, remember, you have to look at a higher time frame. A higher time frame tries to tell us where the market is going. As you can see, this is a 4-hour time frame. I will be looking at a daily time frame to understand the market dynamics. So I'll have to sit on my arms because I think the market is creating new resistance and new supports, which it is going to respect. And being seconded on that is the news update. So I'll be very careful when taking these trades. Okay. So for now, gold, I don't have a setup. I don't have a clear setup I can give. I'll have to wait because this support and this resistance have been respected for the past 1 or 2 weeks. 1 week, let me just say 1 week. And as you know, we will have to take a setup within these 4 hours. And this is what I was working on. I will be taking my trades within 4 hours support and resistance. Okay, analyzing higher time frame, take few pips trades in 4 hours support and resistance because swing trading is a little bit tricky right now during this government. So on USD, Dow Jones, I will be waiting for it to come back here and I can long this because remember the month has come to an end. Check at the monthly closure of your candlesticks and you will see the changes that will happen in the market because the higher time frame controls the market, the higher time frame controls the price action. So USD has been respecting this resistance, so it has been within this support, this resistance and this support. As you can see, this is the support, so it has been playing this area, but it's within zones of all-time high. Okay, they are within the zone of a all-time high that was created, okay, in this month. So what I'm expecting is the market will have to come back here. I don't want to take a short because the overall trend of the market is a long, so I'll have to wait for it to give me a confirmation or give me a break within this structure. If it breaks this resistance, then we can, if it breaks this resistance and gives us a good setup, we can long above there, but we have to wait. Okay, but for now we are waiting for this long. I know the market has to come back here because of the high time frame. I said, when the market, always at the end of the week, check out how your weekly candlestick has closed. At the end of the month, check out how your monthly candlestick has closed, and that will help your market analysis so much. And as you can see, yes, we already have in USD. BTC Euro, I'll be waiting for a little bit because I think this market is creating new levels, new zones. As you can see, this is a support we had on here, came, respected it back to 3. But I will be waiting longer and see how the market is going to behave. Okay, I don't want to give a setup yet. I don't want to give a long. I know it's within our support, and when it comes to a support, I just have to wait for confirmation that long. But I have to wait a little bit because there's something I'm observing with my analysis. There's something I'm waiting in my analysis. So the other thing is oil. Interestingly, I have come to realize oil has been on a bearish the whole month. Remember this setup which we would have taken, but we did not get a good confirmation. Okay, I have looked at it and I have realized oil has been bearish for a whole month. Being bearish for a whole month means it went back to its previous support areas. It went, as you can see, a candle can close either bullish or bearish, but let me show you. oil closed bearish on, as you can see this one, oil closed bearish on a monthly time frame. That's something I didn't expect, because as you know, the prices of oil, when it comes to crude oil has been too high, man. I never expected it to close at a red candlestick. Okay, you can see oil has been bearish for a while, but the price is still high. Crude oil currently, as you can see, mine is a WTI. WTI is at 90. That is during the closure of the week and the closure of the month. So let's wait and see. If this is a good setup, we can short here. Comes to this area, we can short, because the high time frame can give us a good confirmation of short. So let's wait and see. We can take a short there, but I'll have to wait for the market to give me a good confirmation. So I don't have too much analysis today, because I'm very cautious when trading. I'm very careful when taking my trade. So for now, chat well out. Let's meet. Let's enjoy the week. Let's have a very profitable week. Yes, sir. Chat well out.